Hope you are fine. Today our topic is about connect the numbers in sequence to find the picture and color it. Now let's start. Connect these numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Wow, this is the picture of cook. This is the picture of cook. Let's color the picture. I hope you understood this lesson. Respected parents, please help your child to complete this activity. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Dear students, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share and comment the videos. Thank you very much.